Assalamualaikum, Aja English speaking course episode 45. Peace is orally in Ajarim daily life on Maza Shala, but the Insara English Hata Hona Fariba. Sayana Shuruguri Sayakiri Hujanto. Number one, Maza Sai, don't worry, I will get you out of there. Don't worry, I will get you out of there. Translation Maza, don't worry, Manuel de Sintana Goris. I will get you out of there hole I tore hen to niala falayim. Honogo anis bangori je to I tore niala falayim hole I will get you out of there. I tore hen to niala falayim. Sindana wetengale don't worry. Number 2. I feel like he is lying. Translation amaze sai atu hite missa hata horfan lager. I feel like manile atu lager manama dilamma lager. He is lying manite missa hata hoddian. Beshi important sentence. Feel like beshi istemal kori foreigner kole. Number 3. Beware next time. Translation ama say aramoto hushiyar. Arabgana hoy but amato gajjo saba aramoto la hushiyar. Aramoto en nagori sing hushiyar de. Number 4 ma say do you think he will come? No chance. Translation ama say to hite aibode hinla taror. Solgo jide do you think he will come to taron hite abode an? No chance manuel de oinevary. Aragan hoy ita abohon lageni tu aboden taron oinevary ba inle oinevary. No chance na ebaring hodde. Number 5. Wipe the sweat from your face. Wipe the sweat from your face. Wipe or do the last tamal gore fisatu gala paiba. Yantu wipe mani husi felon. Husi fel gam tormukotun. Wipe the sweat mani husi fel gam from your face mani tormukotun. Number 6. Israel can't wipe out Hamas. Wipe layer outlay elemukor furono jebe. Israel can't wipe out holi furani faribo Hamas already. Dide Israel furani faribo Hamas already. Then you could Israel the Palestine Malara told the area. Hamas are server. Number 7. Here is so rush. Translation Amasa ere bishi zam. On the lang odole kuta haita bishi doa diute zonarute zonogoler hinla silly ziranoza bishi rush in the manu zam tight kuta haita barahode rush. Number 8. Don't rush me to do it. More doa digori noteli said dide more noteli siang goribala zasana gorgochinang gogwa raj gor doa digori tele ibale rush anibu. Don't rush me to do it. Yang goriola more doa digori noteli sing of the number 9. I stumbled over a rock. I stumbled over a rock. Translation of I moi ujakhailum egwa shilorori. Stumble holi ujakon. I stumble I ujakhailam over a rock holi egwa fatorori. Ujakadi bala stumble. Number 10 you are a forgery. Translation of I tu egwa dora. Dora boli hodi dora. Oggo dora hole hoilang odin mordori endela basha bichida egodin dori boli hoy e dora color hobode forgery tipota forgery breva no adjective bodoli no niba. Number 11 I need to lead my family. Translation ama sai motu mor gosala fore gosala bella nibo delete atu as argoror sala fore ngode. Number 12 ma he look after me. Translation ama sai hite more faili de falalla look attarane de hite more faili de ngode. Number 13 he ran away from the camp. Hite came to die. Dago di balla anibode I ran or ran. He ran away from the camp. Second form. Hite ran away hole dial go from the camp hole came to dial go. Dai balla ran away and the bath one of the ran away. Number 14. Keep in touch. Keep in touch hole translation masai zohazukrakis. Zana ba khata hote zohazurakiba dire azarakiba dire ba keep in touch. Habal leba diring hode. Number 15. Casual error. Casual error hodi translation masai fiche dekha hoibu. Aro kono hoy hota hoite fiche to ar moto dekha hobo diri ba ar moto doloindori. Casual error. See you soon hodi ba maje istemal koribo de. Beshi badi maje bujai diham. Buji bhai jana hono hobo na hoiliya comment box maje husar kori pariba. Sai onora person lage doile important din dila bujo doile jeddur farar du share goro. Ar subscribe kori diba diri ba beshi bhai tamana hod doile.